Today we're diving into an interesting problem centered around the concept of tunneling in network security. Imagine you're faced with the challenge of understanding what it means to carry a service not typically provided by the network. This can be a tricky concept to grasp, but fear not, as we're here to break it down for you. In the realm of network security, one solution to this problem is IPsec tunnel mode. This operates at the network level by encrypting IP packets and encapsulating them into a new IP packet with a fresh IP header. This method allows for the encryption of communication between hosts without requiring alterations to applications like TLS/SIL. It's a clever way to enhance security without causing disruptions to existing systems. So, there you have it, a nifty solution to our tunneling dilemma. Now, let's delve a bit deeper into the intricacies of IPsec tunnel mode. By adding a tunnel, it essentially creates a secure pathway for data to travel through the network. This approach ensures that communication remains encrypted and protected, even for services that are not traditionally secured by the network itself. It's like giving your data a secret tunnel to travel through, away from prying eyes. Isn't technology fascinating? In summary, we've explored the concept of tunneling in network security and how IPsec tunnel mode provide the solution to the challenge of carrying a service not typically offered by the network. Remember, understanding these technologies is key to keeping our digital world safe and secure. Thanks for tuning in, and remember to subscribe, like, and leave a comment below with your thoughts. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring the fascinating world of technology.